this actually yesterday, depending on when you're watching this video, on June 1st. The crypto has been around for almost a year and a half now. Mixed results, some learning pains there, and they, like I said, they just relaunched with some new algorithms that can trade and make profits in up and down markets. But this video is more specifically about the Forex, because that's really what's been doing really well and people are really interested in that. So I wanted to show you guys exactly how to get involved if you're not sure, or if you're new to daily, the step-by-step on how to do it. Okay, so first off, the website to join is in the description below. You guys can come and it'll come to this page here where you have their welcome video. It's just 10 minutes. You can watch it. It definitely has some good information about the background of the company and what you can expect from it. But it is long, so when you come here, what you're going to have to do, if you haven't, depending on what country you're in, you may have to be using a VPN. I'll leave it at that. If you guys don't know what that is or how to use one, you definitely could search. I have videos on my channel you can look at, or just do a VPN search, and it's very easy to use. Many of them are free, or you can buy more professional VPNs. But either way, depending on what country you're in, you may need one to log into the d.ai.sy website. And you'll need a Tron Link Pro wallet, cryptocurrency wallet. Again, if you don't know what that is or how to set that up, I do have videos on my YouTube channel showing you step by step on how to get that set up. Everything in the d.ai.sy ecosystem is based on Tron, so you're going to need a Tron Link Pro, and you pay based on USDT Tether. So I'm going to show you how that is. Again, anything, if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me. I could walk you through step by step on how to do that, how to get USDT the best way, and how to actually get it on your wallet, and some different safety protocols for the wallets as well if you're new to crypto. Very important. Okay, so when you first come into the website, this is what it looks like. You're going to open up your Tron Link wallet and log in. I'll show you how to do that. You're going to move down to the page here, and then you're going to see an automatic login here. Click on the button. It's going to give you this little pop-up giving permission for d.ai.sy to log in and use your Tron wallet. So you'd always click sign, and you'll see this pop up. Okay, you're going to see here, it's going to show this. This basically how much they've raised so far of their goal. What you're going to really be interested in is down here, and you're going to want to make sure that this crowd button is gray, and you're going to see the different tiers. d.ai.sy works in tiers, so you can't say I want to invest $5,000 and just say I'm going to send $5,000. They have a tier system set up. Each tier doubles, so it starts, the minimum to start on this is $100 in USDT Tether on the Tron blockchain. I won't keep saying that, I just wanted to say it again. So the first tier is 100, then obviously doubles 200, 400, 800, all the way up. If you wanted to go to tier 10 is 51,200. Okay, so anything in between there, and sometimes you can buy more than one tier. So let's say you wanted to invest $1,000. Well, you would put 100 in here. The next one you would be 200, so you'd be at 300. And then tier 3 you'd have 400, so you'd be, all three of them together is 700. So you can just buy these two again to get to 1,000 instead of going over. Where if you had to buy a tier 4, it would be an additional $800. So I hope that makes sense. So you can buy one tier or all 10. You do have to buy them in order. So you would come in here under tier 1. Okay, if you were looking at doing the crypto, you would click the crypto, make sure that's gray. If you're looking at doing the Forex, you make sure the Forex is gray. Basically the whole page is exactly the same, just make sure you're buying the one that you're interested in. Okay, and you can see here, if you haven't bought this already, it would say purchase. Like if I look at a tier I'm not buying yet, it would say up here, purchase your tier. So you contribute to tier. So you're going to see the one that you haven't bought yet. So if you're brand new, the tier 1 will say that on your tier. It'll say contribute to tier. Okay, so when you do that, say if you're on tier 1 or whatever tier you're doing, you would click this contribute to tier button. It's going to open up the same pop-up. It's going to log in with your Tron wallet. It's going to show you exactly how much you'd have to approve, $3,200 in USDT. Okay, and then you would sign to approve if you wanted to do that. One thing to keep in mind, it is working on the Tron blockchain, so you're going to have at least some Tron in your wallet. I'd recommend at least 500 Tron. The more the better. It's only going to use what it has to. It's not going to waste a lot of Tron on it for you. See, the fee right now is estimated at 2.1. If you've never used Tron before, definitely look into that, because there is different resources that it uses up, bandwidth and energy, both of which you can save up yourself, or it will use some of your Tron to purchase what it needs to do the transaction. So obviously I'm not looking at doing this right now, so I would just hit reject. But if you were going to buy this tier, you would hit sign to approve, and it will automatically set that up in your wallet and send it over to Daisy, and you'll see this screen would change, and then you'd have a little green pop-up saying that transaction was successful, and then it would show what it shows on this here. Say contribute more. If you wanted to buy a second one, you can, like I said, or you could just buy one and keep going up in the tiers as they go. And they go, they double every time, so they go pretty fast. So it's 3,200, 64, then you're already at 12, 8, 25, 6, and then 51, 2. So it adds up pretty quickly. One thing to keep in mind is that half of what you are choosing to buy here, so if you put $100 in, $50 would go to your trading. So that's what you'd be gaining on with your trading results. 50% goes to Daisy and their background, their crowdfunding, and you do get equity part. I'm not going to go too into that. Definitely watch the video so you can understand more about it. But they are looking to have those equity be worth a good amount in the future as they go and pass their goals and go to hopefully a publicly traded company in the future. There's a lot going on with Daisy. Like I said, I just wanted to give you a basic step-by-step on how to get involved if you wanted to. You can go pretty deep. I do put videos on the channel constantly. They do update calls. Usually I will post them onto the channel, so if you guys want to watch the whole update video, I just posted the one that they did on June 1st. It's on the channel. You can read it. You can watch the whole thing. I think it's about an hour long. Or I try to do updates and break it down so you guys don't have to watch the whole long video, because if you're brand new, the whole video is very important, because you have to know who's involved, what they're doing, the reasoning. But once you're in it, you really just need the updates. You don't have to watch the whole video if you don't want to. So I try to break that down for you guys, either here on TikTok or on my groups on Telegram or on Facebook. All the links are below the videos, so you guys can follow along. And if you guys have any questions, again, just leave me a message. My email is below. You guys can send me a direct email if that's easier. And I hopefully you enjoyed the information. And if you guys need anything specifically that you want me to cover, I try to do videos pretty consistently now. Kind of got away from it for a bit, but getting back into it. So if there's something you wanted to see or want me to cover, just leave a comment. And if you haven't already, of course, please like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video and give it a thumbs up. It really helps people find this video and this content, and helps me keep doing these videos for you guys. So hopefully you appreciate that. You got something out of it. I kind of breezed over it, but gave you an overview on how to get involved if you'd like to, and definitely dive deeper if you're interested in that. Hopefully I'll talk to you guys soon, and see you on the channel. Thanks.